If you have missed me, or yeah, come on, say hi in the comment section. Hello everyone, I'm Udurole Mujibola and I am your shoemaking made easy tutor. Probably you're watching this for the first time. All we do here is make shoemaking easy and simple for you. I have actually made the upper of the design some time ago on this YouTube channel, and I think you can actually catch that out on my channel. So I just want to show you today how you can reinforce the side of this kind of relax or slide sole, when you actually use your shoe glue to hold it by the side. One of the reasons you have not been seeing my post on YouTube is because of the ongoing 40 patterns in 10 days challenge. I don't know if you have been part of it. So I'm going to be using this particular screw to hold it down using my drilling machine. So as you can see, just take your time to fix the screw. I'm going to be placing 3 on each side. So we are having 6 on one of the slide, so 12 altogether. I'm actually using about half an inch, or is it half an inch, or about three quarter, yes, 3/4 of an inch for the length of the screw. So if you have been missing the 40 pattern in 10 days, I think you should go right to the comment section and tell me you have been missing it so that you can join us today. Tomorrow is going to be the last day. It's not something which you should miss at all. Of course, as of today, we are on the 33rd design and we are still going to 40. I think 33rd or 34th. Yeah. So see you. Bye.